Meaning of fifth column.
Fifth column.
Fifth column.
Fifth column.
Fifth column. The term fifth column refers to a group of people who clandestinely undermine a larger group, typically the government or military, from within. It originated during the Spanish Civil War to describe a group of nationalist sympathizers within Madrid who were poised to assist Franco's forces when they arrived. The fifth columnists can spread propaganda, sabotage efforts, and provide intelligence to the enemy. The term has since become widely used to describe any kind of subversive group operating from within. In short, it refers to individuals or groups that aid an enemy by operating secretly within the defender's own country or organization.